I be pushing they buttons. I hold up control like the gamers. Like that, keep it a stat. Bitches is active, we keeping it crap. Bad little redhead, she bout the black. We come out, it's a movie, but we don't do that. Live from London, straight from the palace. Man, them a gallus, I text us like Dallas. Keep it a bean, yo. He talk nice cause the pussy gave me.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Jada Bay. Welcome or welcome back to another video. I know y'all like, girl, what is going on with your head? I'll explain later. So for today's video, we are going to do an initial wig review that I got from Amazon. My package came in earlier today. We won't be installing the wig. We're just gonna do an initial review, which means, so you're gonna see a live unboxing. Well, not live, but you're gonna see an unboxing of me like filling and touching hair, and we're just gonna see what she's giving. So like I said, I got this from Amazon, and I'm just gonna keep it on this side because, you know, on the other side I got my address and stuff. I don't want y'all look for me. It was 1-day shipping. And I also will put like right over here for how much I got it. I got it for like 66 bucks, which is a good deal. Now, since she's only like $60, I am not expecting like raw hair type quality for this wig. I got this wig because I'm going back home to Miami for my best friend's birthday, and I just needed a wig. So, you know, because we could be on the yacht and stuff. Let's get into this review. Ooh, all right. Let's see it. Ooh. Okay. Come in this plastic bag. And then they got another bag on the inside. Now this is actually my first time ever seeing a wig come inside a bag. Like, it's not this bag, we don't care about that bag, but this blue one, which is a really pretty color. Okay, I actually keep these bags just to put stuff in it, like related to hair, accessories, whatever. I like keeping these bags, they're very convenient. The wig that I got, she is a body wave lace front wig. She's 26 inches, you know, she's pretty long, you know. I want my hair to be swinging on that boat. So yeah, she is 26 inches, so we got a nice bust down. All right. Oh, of course they give you the lashes. The lashes actually don't look that bad, but usually the lashes that they give you in the bag are pretty terrible. But these don't look that bad. So yeah, these are the lashes. This is the wig. So it comes in another bag, plastic bag. Like I said, this is a 26-inch body wave unit, 13 by 4. Alright, and it's been a minute since I got me since I bought me a lace front wig. Okay, now taking it out of the package, she is a little bit smelly. They give you hairnet, keep the hair in place, paper. Oh, okay. This is actually the first time that I've ever had a wig that has a strap. So you can lay this down like glueless if you don't want to use glue or anything. Okay. Now I will say, when I ordered this wig, it was supposed to be in the color black, and they gave me a natural color, so whatever. I was gonna re-dye it if they gave it to me black, but I wish they would have followed directions and gave me the black wig that I ordered. But no biggie. I don't mind. It was $60. Like I said, I really don't have high expectations about this wig, but the lace don't seem too bad. It's not hard at all. Soft lace. Nice. Okay, you already know they put their little baby hairs on it and everything. Like I said, this is initial wig. Oh, and also this is 180% density wig. So I feel like 180% density is like recommended for like a regular thickness of a wig. Like if you get 200%, it'll be real thick, and then 180 is like regular. As I'm touching the hair, she's soft. She's really soft. Am I getting any shedding? Little snag, but I feel like that's normal. I'm not really picky when it comes to these wigs, but I'm just showing you what she's giving right now. But they gave me the natural color wig. I really want to dye this wig black, and I am gonna dye the wig black, only for the simple fact that it ain't nothing like a nice jet black bust down, okay? And I just feel like it looks healthier, if that makes any sense. Sometimes I feel like the natural color wig, it looks dirty after a while, but right now, like, she's really soft. She is a really good thickness. Like, hopefully it doesn't look thin. The ends, these are the ends. Like, the ends aren't like thin, they like regular. So far so good. It just says she's a little smelly, and of course they give you combs in the back. Some people don't like the combs. I actually like it because I have natural hair, and you know, when my natural hair grow, I need a little hook to keep them BBs in back. To me, I feel like are very helpful. I know some people feel like it just stab them in their scalp. I like them. I feel like it keeps everything in place. I know my wig is not gonna slide. When you be laying down your wig with that glue, it be sliding back and stuff if you don't use the combs. I like it, and it gives you some extra protection with the strap. So this is part 1, which is the initial review. So I will see you guys in the next video. Again, my name is Jada May, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.